Yo, one of my favorite artists from South Africa is Nomfundo Mo. Maybe because I'm getting old, a little bit of gray. As I'm starting to take things slowly, uh, and yeah, I'm no longer impressed with speed. Anyway, my name is Titi. I am from Botswana. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, let's get to the song. Nomfundo Mo and Dizamshini. Yeah. My Zulu is limited. Okay, featuring Black Diamonds. Black Diamond. Said. I don't know why people are not hooked to this artist. You know what I mean? Like her songs. Oh, okay. Maybe it's age. Hey.
I need you closer. Musuku ngizoza. Hila bangani bakho amanda nosodwa. Ongomyayona. Angithi bamoshela mina nawe. Yelo jezo alishiya kimi.
I don't know if I think the Zulu language is also just smooth. Let's start that again, man. Like, come on. Okay? I'm gonna try to translate for you guys who don't speak Zulu. Let's see if we can wing it.
Yeah, you know it. 7 missed calls. Nini ngikudansa. Khanda liyazula ngibulawa yitrauma. Athi nemizwi bawes mangisoba. Dali responda.
Is translation is not going to, but I understand what he said. It's like, 7 missed call, I called you. How many times have I tried to call you and my head is now, spinning because traumatized from past relationship, I think. Anyway.
I need you closer. Musuku ngizoza. Hila bangani bakho amanda nosodwa. Ongomyayona. Angithi bamoshela mina nawe. Yelo jezo alishiya kimi.
So basically, I say, your friends, Zodra and Amanda. Yeah. I said Amanda. They want to ruin our relationship. Oh, man. Anyway.
Eline phunga lakho. Futhumalo yakho. Kushoti keli. Nika mahora mabili.
Hey.
Samele sifubeni sakho. Angoba unempatho.
This guy is, man.
Unhlanga zimuka noma uyadali. Ngicela teleporta dali. Enhlizweni yakho zofika maduze. Phakathi kwamabili u12 akulaleki. Ngathi ngiphuza ikofle lathe.
Hey.
Enhlizweni yakho zofika maduze.
Did he just say it's like I drank latte? Let me take it back. There's so much to. I mean, it's good that they made a video that is not all over the place, so we can listen as we are too slow. Okay, let me see. Let me teleport to your heart. He said it's like I drank latte. Am I making this up? Let me know. If you're speaking Zulu, let me know in the comment section. It's like he's saying. Hey. I love this song, man. Come on. This song is on repeat on my Spotify, guys. And this is the first time I've seen the video. Hey. She's rapping on this, man.
Funa ungibambela ubuhlungu khona. Funa ukuhlala kwi-passenger seat with the roof gone. When we all-star, I got Jimmy Choos on. Drew Scott, mina nawe shisa njenge-Lucy. You say your ex used to play you like a good song. Mina ngile ngoma iphinda ubusuku bonke jukebox. Mina ngile
Oh my goodness.
wathola kumdali yejawula.
Okay, I gotta take that back. I'm sorry, guys. I have to stop this so many times. She's boss.
Ungaba njani mangabhukha ithikithi? Mina ngibona ukuthi inyawo zami zingangifikisi. Sengifuna ezandleni sakho ma.
It's like what would happen if I got a ticket?
Ungaba njani mangabhukha ithikithi?
Yeah,
Mina ngibona
what if I
ukuthi
book the
inyawo
ticket?
zami zingangifikisi.
Hey.
Sengifuna ezandleni sakho maze ringa iqiniso. Phela ngawe
I see that my legs cannot. Ah, man. Okay, so I guess let me just tell you the plot of the story. It's like long distance relationship, right? Like you're calling and somebody's not answering. They're saying, you know what? I just need a machine. Is it a time machine? Is it a brand new car? Is it a flying machine? I don't know. But she's like, yo, what if I book the ticket because I think my legs cannot take me there. Maybe I'm making things up, but she says something about that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try to stop it so much.
Poppy dice roll seas. Ngapho baba njengeqiniso malavu chilies.
Yeah.
Ngibambela ubuhlungu khona. Funa ukuhlala kwi-passenger seat with the roof gone. When we dlala all-star, I got Jimmy Choos on. Drew Scott, mina nawe shisa njenge-Lucy. You say your ex used to play you like a good song. Mina ngile ngoma iphinda ubusuku bonke jukebox. Mina ngile mbali, wayithola kumdali. Yejawulisa idlozi nabasali. Isikhali, isidalele thina baby yangali. Mhlawumbe sona sinenkani kodwa mina nawe sihlezi sineplani. Bengisahlanganisa lo cash, ngizama ukuthola i-private jet ngizobona ukushare.
Hey! Oh man! If you don't know Zulu, there's nothing we can do for you. Hey! All the time. Hey! Oh. Hey, let's go for a holiday in Mexico. That's the machine. Man, I've never smiled so much because of the video. My cheeks are hurting. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay. What can I say, man? What can I say? Let's see what people saying. Obviously, this is, you know, much loved artist, pretty chill songs. Man, she went crazy on this. That That was insane. That made me so happy, and I couldn't. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And if you don't know who Nomfundo Mo is, go check her out on YouTube. Obviously, many songs. She is the supposed to be the biggest artist in the world. You know how people who sing in Spanish can be like the biggest artist in the world? I feel like this is one of those artists that should be that. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. This video had gone to be a very long one because, oh my goodness.